return.
Okay. Start.
A treasure hunt.
Lagi sekali.
A treasure hunt.
A treasure hunt. Good job. 2 boxes. Next.
Oma open the old box slowly.
Oma opened the old box slowly. Great. Another 2 boxes. Next.
Inside the box was an old map.
Inside the box was an old map. Okay. Excellent. 2 boxes. Next.
It was a treasure map.
It was a treasure map. Okay, another 2 boxes. Next.
He remembered grandfather telling him a story of
Buried.
buried treasure somewhere on the land.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Land.
then. Oh, yeah.
Okay. He remembered grandfather telling him a story of buried treasure somewhere on their land. Okay, excellent. Another 2 boxes. Read.
He visioned himself,
Visioned
visioned himself, self,
himself.
himself with the treasure.
He visioned himself with the treasure. Okay, another 2 boxes. Read.
Gold, 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 coins
Gold.
and gold coins, coins,
Betul.
coins and joints,
Jewels.
jewels.
Gold coins and jewels. Okay, yang ni one je. One boxer. One box. Next.
Hooray, hooray,
Hooray.
hooray, I'm going to find the treasure.
I'm going to find the treasure. Good job. 2 box. Alright, finish.